आजादी, भगत सिंह की आजादी, हम लेके रहेंगे आजादी, हम छीन के लेंगे आजादी, हम लड़के लेंगे आजादी, हम मर के लेंगे आजादी, हम मार के लेंगे आजादी, हम लेके रहेंगे आजादी, 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 आजादी।
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी,
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी,
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी,
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी,
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी,
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी।
गाय गरम भजिया गरम,
नरेंद्र सावंत देश गरम,
गाय गरम भजिया गरम,
गाय गरम
भजिया गरम।
पेपर लीक है, सरकार लीक है, 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 पेपर लीक है, सरकार लीक है। इस्तीफा दो, 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 इस्तीफा दो। पेपर लीक है, सरकार लीक है, पेपर लीक है, सरकार लीक है, पेपर लीक है, सरकार लीक है, पेपर लीक है, सरकार लीक है। सरकार से पेपर ना समझे वो सरकार निकलती है, जिस सरकार से पेपर सुन लेना वो सरकार निकलती है।
Across the world, student movements have brought us together and have changed the world, and only it is capable by students to change the world. I know that so many of us saw Solar Buses, but there were also students from across different parts of the country who were also on hunger strike. I would like to say their names: Neha Bora, Amin, and Manish Kumar were also on hunger strike for 23 days. And thank God for them, thank God for all the students who lost their voices, who had to beg this laws and they are women should not retain any kind of dignity. And also, so many of us are here protesting for the first time, and I want them to ask themselves why. Why did we wait until the came to our doorsteps? Why weren't we here before? But now that we are here, let's remember to stand with students always.
तर काल आम्ही एक स्टेटमेंट ऐकलं आमचो एक्स साऊथ एमपी नरेंद्र सावयकर आम्ही टर्माइट म्हणून तुमकां आतां हे सगळे टर्माइट सगळे आयिल्ले आसा पळय सावयकर तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता तुमी समज आमची अशी लज काडपाची आसा न्ही जाल्यार तुमकां हे टर्माइट तुमकां टर्मिनेट करतले फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक तुमकां इतली मस्ती मारला आनी तुजे ते 2 चमचे आसात ते एकलो तो पणजेचो चमचो आनी दुसरो म्हापशेचो चमचो तो कितें सांगता तेणे केन्ना आंदोलनां केला मेन म्हणल्यार तुमगे नीट प्रोटेस्ट कळचेच ना तुमी अनपड मरे सगळे तुमी केन्ना एग्जामी दिला हे आमचे त्रास कितें जाता ते तुमकां कळल्ले आसा हेचे पयलीं आनी जेन्ना आमी हे सगळीं भुरगीं हांगा रस्त्यार येतात आंदोलनां करपाक लागून तुमी आमकां सपोर्ट करपा जाग्यार वयल्यान आमची लज करता आमी टर्माइट म्हणून अरे खरे टर्माइट तुमी आमच्या देशाची वाट लावपी लोक तुमी टर्माइटान आमच्या देशाक पोकल्ला आनी तुमी दर वेळा सांगता की काँग्रेसीन तेन्ना जेन्ना काँग्रेसीचे गव्हर्मेंट आशिल्ले तेन्ना थंय पेपर लीक जायनाशिल्ले अरे तेन्ना लोकांनी तेका लागून काँग्रेसीक काडून तुमच्या हातीन दिल्ले तुमी कितें बरें केलां तर आनी काँग्रेसीचे जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट आशिल्ले तेन्ना पेपर लीक जावन इतले लोकांनी सुसायड करूंक नाशिल्ले परत लीक जायनाशिल्ले 4 वर्सांनी 40 एग्जामी लीक जावप इज नॉट अ जोक आनी तेका लागून आमी सगळे टर्माइट आसूं आमी आसात सगळे टर्माइट वी आर प्राऊड टू बी टर्माइट आनी आमी टर्माइट तुमकां हेच्या फुडल्या इलेक्शनान जागा दाखोवन जातले तुमचो जो इगो आसा पळय तो इगो दवरा तुमचे कडेन तुमी अजून पर्यंत समज पीएमाक दिसना की ताणें एजुकेशन दिवपाक जाय इफ द पीएम थिंक्स दॅट धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इज रायट लेट हिम थिंक लायक दॅट आमी आमचो लढो थांबोवपा ना वी ऑल टर्माइट्स आर ऑलवेज टुगेदर आनी आमी हे आमचे जो प्रोटेस्ट आसा तो आमी सक्सेसफूल करूनच रावतले
अरे नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी
So what are you trying to say? We are termites. You want us to leave the country and go. So what are you trying to say? The future. Tomorrow the nation is not going to work without us. What do you want from us? What you are calling us termites here? You all leak the paper here. You all will not have doctors to follow, proper doctors to take care of you. When you will be in the ICU, you will know. We government, that is why we have a paper leak going on. It's just not leak paper. We have a lot of papers are getting leaked.
I am a student myself, but it was very disheartening. It was so brutal of the police to do lathi charge on the students, college people and many of them. And I just saw it this morning. I just felt like studying is even important anymore. The leaked papers were really... Students were crying over there, people were crying, and all we demand is resignation of Education Minister. And is it too much to ask? Education system, our education and the system. I attend a cockroach which was tagged by the government will not keep quiet because of this because of the government and the Education Minister. I am here standing for everyone's rights and for every student who is going to be the future of this country. All is not actually well. Inqilab Zindabad!
Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad!
I think the government is forgetting that they serve us and we do not serve the government. It's time to take accountability and change the system.
पेपर लीक वाली सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। पेपर लीक वाली सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी।
I think it's a shame that I'm Joshi and I'm a student myself. I'm preparing for class, and I think it's a shame that we are calling us cockroaches and termites. We are the future of the country, and we are not going to keep quiet like the previous generation.
The students of university, they are not termites, they are as human beings as any other human being can be. And we are not going to tolerate this insult thrown upon us.
You made a statement about us and you think that you will be spared, then no sir, you will not be. You play with our future, you play with our papers, you just do paper leaks like that and expect us not to do anything but just to stay lazy. As one of the behind there were statements made that the youth has become lazy. No, we are not lazy. We have come on ground and we will be staying on ground and fighting for our rights, not like the action that you have taken. We ask you to take accountability. Enough of action now. Start taking accountability. It's high time that the government takes accountability rather than just taking action.
सरकार हमारी चोर है,
सरकार हमारी चोर है, सरकार हमारी चोर है।
सरकार हमारी
आवाज दो, हमें देंगे। आवाज दो, हमें देंगे। आवाज दो, हमें देंगे। नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी। नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी।
आज हांगा कित्याक येयला, कित्याक ते स्टुडंट्स आमचे काल म्हणजे प्रोटेस्ट स्टार्ट केला वर ट्रुली इन्स्पिरेशनल. Because of them, finally we are seeing the government actually responding to a people's movement. So I would like to thank all of you for coming here and leading this people's struggle. In 1956, there were 2 train incidents. Lal Bahadur Shastri resigned out of moral responsibility, and so many other ministers have resigned. But what does Dharmendra Pradhan do when there is something which is fully accountable for? He releases violence on students. What is this rubbish? Education is something that empowers us. That is the lone hope that people in this country have, that at least it will work. that you study hard, you get a great job and you get out of poverty. And here this man who is responsible for leaking papers, for destroying the one hope that the people of this country have, does not even have the gumption to apologize, forget to resign. And this is the violence he releases on our students, It is shameful.
Shame, shame.
This government is nothing but feudal lords. What they have done is equivalent to what the British would do against our freedom fighters. And we should stand strong and ensure that we vote in such a way that these guys are never brought to power. 15 years in government is more than enough. It's time to bring change. And I thank each one of the students who have taken this responsibility. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी। नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी।
You call us termites, but let me say, you all are leeches. आपको खून चाहिए हम बच्चों का. How much killing you all are gonna do? Are you all not done and not enough with the blood you all have got? And let me tell you all, I answered National Flag, and that paper was leaked too, and no announcement, no news, no channel was saying about it. Dharmendra Pradhan must resign.
वापस दो, वापस दो। आवाज दो। आवाज दो। आवाज दो। आवाज दो। आवाज दो। वापस दो, वापस दो। वापस 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 दो।
Jack Bob mentioned about ministers resigning out of moral responsibility, but we know very well that the person who was making all these remarks has no ounce of morality that we can appeal to. So appealing to moral responsibility is a waste of time. But be it reminded that it's a constitutional duty that you are failing. You owe to the constitution and you took an oath and you have failed it. So based on the constitutional duty that you have failed, resign. Dharmendra Pradhan, resign. And Narendra Savaikar, apologize. Apologize.
Apologize.
Apologize.
I want to ask, after 20 students kill themselves, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20-year-olds are being beaten to death by the police over there, after all this, and after seeing the education system actually declining to such levels, we as Goans stood up for our student voices, and you call us termites. 22 days of hunger strike, more than 22 days, it's still going on. All the kids are dying of hunger. After all that, how do you as leaders have conscience to sleep at night?
Shame! इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। चाय बेचो, पेपर नहीं।
जवाब दो, हिसाब दो। जवाब दो, हिसाब दो। जवाब दो, हिसाब दो।
जवाब दो, हिसाब दो।
जवाब दो, हिसाब दो।
जवाब दो, हिसाब दो। आवाज दो। आवाज दो।
वंदे
मातरम।
वंदे
मातरम।
वंदे
मातरम।
भारत माता की
जय। Come on.
I want to say something. So, I'm a student who left Goa and I had to go to Bangalore to complete my masters. Every day, every year, this is a case wherein thousands of us students have to leave Goa and go abroad or go to places like Karnataka and Bangalore wherein we have to pursue our studies. Today, one Goan student has committed suicide because of the NEET leak. But nobody talks about this. Pramod Sawant is the education minister. He should speak up on this issue. Narendra Sabaikar taka bhayar udaylo आमी from South Goa. If I was a voter back then, I would have not voted for that guy. तुका law जातलो जाल्यार तूं उलयच ना law. And I'm telling Narendra Sabaikar, you need to come out and apologize. There are so many of students here, and there are students who are not here because they fear your government. So it is high time that students actively come out and they talk and they voice their opposition to this government. It is definitely cool, and it is not cool that you all are not aware of what is going on. So you all need to raise awareness about what is going on. You all need to organize, and you all need to educate yourselves, and you all need to agitate, as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said. It is high time that all of us students rise up. Today we got to stand together against this government, so that NEET paper leaks is something that has brought us up here today, but this is a systemic issue that goes beyond education. Today the education system has been attacked. Professors have been labelled as anti-nationalists. If you, when Shaheen Bagh happened, they attacked the women as anti-nationalists. When farmers' protests happened, they labelled them as Khalistanis. Today, they will try to label everyone who is protesting against this issue. But it is our responsibility that we do not let them label us, and we hold them accountable for what they do. Thank you.
And let it be noted very well that none of the lives that were lost is suicide. It's all institutional murder, and for that we ask for accountability. Take accountability for all the lives that you took away. Resign now.
सोडचेना रे सोडचेना
जिंकले बघत सोडचेना
सोडचेना रे सोडचेना
जिंकले सोडचेना
सोडचेना रे सोडचेना
जिंकले बघत सोडचेना.
Also, I need to add one more thing. Sukija sir, before here, he came out and said that the British also were harsh. It is true that the British were harsh, but when Mahatma Gandhi was protesting, they went and they spoke to him. When Sonam Wangchuk's father was protesting, Indira Gandhi came and she spoke to him. But the government, Modi, does not even have the audacity to come to parliament and address this issue. He always says that he has a 56 inches chest. If he had so much guts, he would speak on this issue. And no one is asking the resignation from Pramod Sawant. It is high time that he also needs to resign because of the student who has committed suicide in Goa. So it is high time he needs to resign.
Shame! Shame! Dharmendra Pradhan, shame! Shame! Gen Z! Yes! आज ज्या मनशान एक स्टेटमेंट केला, नरेंद्र सावयकर, जो वत मनीस 2011 बाळी आंदोलन करपी मास्टर माइंड आणि 2 आदिवासी मारपी प्लॅन मर्डर करपी वो नरेंद्र सावयकर जावन आसात. मर्डरर आसा वो. दुसरी गजाल, आज इतले काबारूच जावना. अक्षरशः पळोवपाक गेल्यार तुम्ही पळयला कशे भशेन लाठी चार्ज जे आसा पळय ते जाल्ले आसात. आणि हे लाठी चार्ज जाताना सुद्धा हांगासर एक प्रोटेस्ट आपयलो, आणि प्रोटेस्ट आपोवन प्रमोद सावंतान आणि रोहन खंवटे आत्ता प्रोटेस्ट आपयलो, आणि कितलेशा बायलांक जमोवन तो म्हणटा की म्हजे कडेन यूथ आसा आणि ते यूथ भायर काडून हो काबार करतलो. अरे पावस सुसपाक जावन ना, पावसान रावपाची औकात ना, काँग्रेसीच्या हेजे पोनाक रावचे पडले आणि तुम्ही सोपयतले. 7 जणांक मारपाक धाडलेलो रोहन खंवटे. लक्षात घ्यात, नेपाळाच्या सिच्युएशन तुम्ही इन्स्टिगेट केला दिल्ली. ज्या भाशेन तुम्ही नेपाळाचे सिच्युएशन इन्स्टिगेट केल्ली आसात, तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या. देववचन सांगतात 7 जण जे आपण मारून तुम्ही कोलवाय जेलेन बसयल्ले आहात. देववचन सांगतात याच्या नंतर खंयच्याच युथाक हात लायलोत आडून रस्त्यार नागडे भोंवडायतले. लक्षात घ्या. 8 बसी दवरल्ले आसात, 8 बसी. आणि कितले लोक जेनजी आम्ही हांगासर आसात, आम्ही हांगासर 100 ते 150 जेनजी आहात. 8 बसी दवरल्ले आसात. लक्षात घ्यात, ज्या दिसा गोंयांतल्यान सगळ्या हजारांनी युथ भायर सरतले तुमका तुमचे घर सोडून धांवचे पडटले देवाच्यान सांगता तुमकां आमी आनी कांयच उलोवपाक येवं ना पण एक गजाल लास्ट वॉर्निंग दितात टू ऑल द जेन्सीज रायट नाव अमरीन आय थिंक इफ आय एम नॉट मिस्टेकन अमरीन त्या चलयेन लीड घेतलेलो आणि ताणे कॉल आउट दिल्लो हजारांनी यूथ आयिल्ले ताका थेटन करपाक स्टार्ट केला खंय हांव ह्या बीजेपीच्या भडव्यांक सांगूंक सोदता आमी हांगासर आयिल्ले आसात तुमकां वगी रावपाक न्हू तीन प्रोटेस्ट जाले पयलो प्रोटेस्ट बजर अटॅक जाला तेन्ना लोक हांगासर आयले विरेश बोरकराक MLA ड्रॅग केलो म्हणून आयल्यात आणि तिसरो प्रोटेस्ट जालो युथाक जे दिल्ली कितें केला पळय ताका लागून चवथो प्रोटेस्ट जावपाचो ना चवथो डायरेक्ट घर गुरचो यात्रा जातली गोंयान आणि प्रत्येक MLA भितर काढून तांच्या हांगासर नागडे करून बोडयचे
So we students have the right. Calling us termites is literally dehumanizing us. We have no value. We have no respect. Why? When we are the youth, we are the future. We deserve to have respect. We are the upcoming future. But these politicians make sure to make you call termites, cockroaches, to treat you like shit. And they are earning from us. We are the economy. We are the finances. We are the next generation. We are the unemployment. The amount of unemployment happening here in Goa as well, in all the states, is just so bad. And on top of that, they end up calling you termites, they end up calling you cockroaches, they end up calling you names. That is so dehumanizing. That's like so disrespectful to us. And when we try to gather over here, they reject our formal letters. They will reject, the collector's going to reject the letter, or they will issue FIRs. They try to spread this fake news that 1,000 people were arrested, FIRs issued. Even if they are, we are ready for it. There's no harm in it. We can be arrested for our future. But they are trying to degrade us, they're trying to pull us down, and we as youth have to stand up for this. It's a big issue right now. By calling us anti-national, by separating us on religion, by degrading us as humans, by calling our names by insects, termites, cockroaches, animals. That's what you give? Are you that educated to look your future generation that low? Are you going to call your son, daughter like that? What are you all doing? We need to wake up. We need to raise our voices. We as youth need to do something.
Shame, 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 shame. Narendra Savarkar, shame, shame. Shame, 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 shame. Narendra Savarkar, shame, shame. Goa youth, Zindabad. Goa youth, Zindabad. Students unity, Zindabad. Students unity, Zindabad. Students unity, Zindabad. Chhatra ekta, Zindabad.
पहिली म्हणजे it's a shame that the future, you need to understand that you have leaked the paper, NEET paper. NEET belongs to the medical professionals, the future medical professionals. So this means the future medical professionals of our society, of our country are under danger. If you can leak such a paper, then where is the country going? We want to ask a simple question to the Prime Minister and Dharmendra Pradhan that where are you taking this country? You want uneducated people to run this country? You want uneducated people to be doctors in the medical fraternity? You want uneducated people like you people are to be doctors and run the hospitals of the country. This is a very serious issue. The students in the country have stood up against these atrocities, and you have the audacity to come out and beat the students. We as the students and the youth of this country stand against these atrocities against the students, and we want to give a clear message to Narendra Savarkar that we are termites. We are termites. Ami termites asa, and we will show you, the youth of the country will show you where we belong. We will not let the future of this country go to ashes and go to uneducated people, because these people who are running this country are uneducated. We will run the country, and we, the Gen Z, and we, the millennials, we are the future of the country. And this is a clear message to the country that we are here to stand out for them. Siddesh Bhagat.
You all can see this. This is done by Father Agnel student, and the student is right behind. So then mag sangle हे माशा दाखोय म्हणून. So you can see this. आता एक भुरगो जो गोंयांत जावं या इंडियेंत जावं बायसोला आपणागे हक्का लागोन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हॅज गिवन देम द रायट. आता पयर आमी एक प्रोटेस्ट केलो काल आनी तेदोना तूं प्रोटेस्टार चोयला आसतले की तूं स्टुडंट्स भायर येयली. They were not only Goans but outsiders too who are studying over in the colleges in Goa. ते भुरगे भायर सरले आपणागे हक्का लागोन म्हाका दिसता तेंचेर FIR कित रेजिस्टर केली. It is quite surprising for me. आता हो नरेंद्र मुटाय तो हुंयच्यासून भायर सरला आनी भुरग्यांक कीड मुडपा लागलो, वाळटी मुडपा लागलो, टर्माइट मुडपा लागलो. अरे शिकोन ब्रूत जाल्या खबर ना म्हाका. शिकोन ब्रूत तूं वयले MP आनी आल्लो हुंय मरे. You were representing Goa. You were really an MP. तुका बायल भुरगी ना रे? ना तुका ती सांगनाय तुका कित उलोवपाक कित ना ते. आता इंडियेक आख्खो आवाज चल्लो हा नीट एग्जामी भुरगीं आहाय ती शिकोन रात दीस एक केली. मायक बायकोडे घोडना मायक बायको घोडना आसतना रीण काण 8 जाणां आपणागे घाम एकठांय कोन तेंकां भुरग्यां शिकयली. आनी एग्जामी ती रेडी जाली. एग्जामी रेडी जावपा वखदार तुमी तुमगे सरकारान आनी सपोज तुमगे सरकारान तो करूं ना जाल्यार हे BJP सरकारानू एक देखू उतर कित्याक काडू ना. आनी आज BJPचो आतां नरेंद्र सवेकर वा सोयकर कोण म्हणटाय तो म्हाका तूं सांग रे बाबा तूं हुंय न्हिदो ना तूं उठलो. तुय कित्या उलयल ना. तूं सोयकर वय मारोककार म्हूण म्हाका खबर ना. कित्या तूं उलयल ना भुरग्यां बद्दल. तूं हुंय न्हिदो नासलो. लास्टाक तुमी वचोन थिंगा प्रोटेस्ट केलो आनी काँग्रेस बॅनरा भितर रावले मरे तुमी. होच प्रोटेस्ट भुरग्यां लागून कित्या भायर हाडूं ना रे. हो प्रोटेस्ट तुमी आयज केलो तो भुरग्यां लागून कित्या भायर हाडूं ना. कित्या लागून तेगे हक्का लागून उलयल नाय. आयज जंतर मंतराकू एसलो आवाज चल्लो हा लाठी चार्ज केलो हा आनी आमगे सरकार अकबर हा. So you all don't see the differences. Why the students have come out तेंगे हक्का लागून. And today I must say वाळटी तुगे सरकारा लागोल्या. वाळटी तुमची तोकले बोलो हा. वाळटीची कॅबिनेटा बसलाय प्रत्येक मंत्र्या लागलो हा. आनी तुमकां वाळटी लागपा हा आनी हेच भुरग्या वाळटी घेवन तुमकां येतले. तुमचोय बूट गार्ड देखून घेवन रेडी रावाय ते देखून तेंक स्टॉप जावपा ना. सो यू ऑल बी केअरफुल. They are the future of this nation and each वाळटी तुमकां काबार कोण उडयतली.
भारत माता के भारत माता के भारत माता के इनकलाब इनकलाब इनकलाब. आयज खुबशे आमदार आणि मंत्री रॅली काडटाले प्रोटेस्ट करताले रस्त्यार. आता तो कसलो प्रोटेस्ट तो तेंका खबर आसा काय ना तो व्हडलो क्वेश्चन मार्क. कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार एक एक्स MP उठता आणि आयचे युवाक वायटी म्हणटा. तो खंयचे युवाक म्हणल्यार तेतून BJPचे यूथ आयले, तेतून काँग्रेसीचे यूथ आयले, तेतून आम आदमी पार्टीचे यूथ आयले आणि सगळे यूथ आमी यूथ आयले तेतून वायटी म्हणून. त्या MPक सांगपा सोदता एक्स MPक
जेन्ना तू भीक मागत लोकांच्या दारान येतालो तेन्ना तुका खबर नासली ती वायटी म्हणून. जेन्ना 2 महिने पयलीं 4 महिने पयलीं तुम्ही दारान डोर टू डोर करताले तेन्ना तुमकां खबर नासल्या वायटी म्हणून. आयज एक मिनिट उलयता. आयज असली परिस्थिती आयला आमदार आणि मंत्री आणि त्यांचे बीजेपीचे लीडर टीव्हीच्या मुखार बसता मन की बात ऐकाय म्हणून. अरे केन्नाय पेपर लिकाची खबर उलयात, केन्नाय जॉब्साची खबर उलयात, केन्ना रेप जाता तेचे बद्दल उलयात, पण तुम्ही तुमचे मन की बात आयकता आणि जेन्ना आम्ही देवता आम्ही उलोवपाक सोदता आमचे मन की बात सांगपाक सोदता तेन्ना तुम्ही लाठी की बात स्टार्ट करता. आयज बेटी बचाव बेटी शिकाव बेटी सगळे करता. हांगा दिल्ली जंतर मंतर अक्षरशः दुपट्टा काढून मारिल्लो आसा, थापटा मारिल्ली आसा. कसले तुम्ही युवा एम्पावरमेंट उलयतात. एक मॅनिफेस्टो काढतात ते मॅनिफेस्टोचे उलयतात जॉब दितले हे दितले. अरे तुम्ही जॉब दिना, तुम्ही विकपाचे भानगडेन पडला. फाटल्या दिसा तुम्ही जेन्ना 1,500 युवा जेन्ना हांगा देविल्ले तेन्ना आयज तुम्ही काडटात तेंचेर एफआयआर घालतात. म्हणल्यार आमचे मन की बात आमची दिल की बात जेन्ना आमी उलयता तेन्ना तुम्ही आमचेर लाठी चार्ज तेन्ना तुम्ही आमचेर एफआयआर घालतात. आयज काळकूट दिसता म्हाका ह्या सगळ्या पोलिसांची. या पोलिसांचे त्यांच्या मनान सुद्धा दूख आसा खंय तरी. तेंच्याय घरान भुरगीं आसा, तेंच्याय घरान भाव पिढी आसा, सगळी जाण आसा. तेंकाय दूख जाता ते मरे आपले स्वताच्या मनान येना हांगा. तेंकाय धमकी दिवन हांगा धाडिल्ले आसा, नाल्यार तेंकां ट्रान्सफराची भंय आसता. आयज खंय कोणी तरी आपल्या हक्का खातीर उलयता जाल्यार तो एंटी नॅशनल. आयज गाडी फोडून हाडून ते दवरता, तेच 4 फातर मारता आणि युवक एंटी नॅशनल म्हणटात. आयज समज आमी कितें उलयतात जाल्यार धर्म मदीं हाडटा. अरे मनीसपण धर्म हो व्हडलो धर्म रे. वी आर बिलॉंगिंग टू दीस रिलीजन. वी बिलीव टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. वन्स यू बिलीव इन दीस यू विल बिलीव इन एवरीथिंग. तुम्ही जेन्ना एकाच बिलीव करना तेन्ना तुम्ही कसले बिलीव करतले. आयज असली परिस्थिती आयल्या तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसांनी वचा काढून सायडीन उलयता तुमच्या फाटल्यान गॉडफादर ना जाल्यार तुमकां जॉब दिताले दाखया. आयज तुम्ही वचात आनी खंयच्याय मेडिकल हेतून कॉलेजीन किंवा हॉस्पिटलान पळयात खंयच्या गांवाचे भुरगे आसतले ते. म्हणल्यार सगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन एकूच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन दोतोर नर्सी बिर्सी आसा, बाकीच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन काय ना. आयज अशी परिस्थिती आयला की आयज कोणीय यूथ भायर सरता, आपलो पेपर लीक जाला, आपल्या जॉब मेळना, आपल्या घरान त्रास जाता जाल्यार उलयता जाल्यार तो एंटी नॅशनल. आयज सरकाराक कोणाक ठोकता जाल्यार तो एंटी नॅशनल. आयज तो आपलो आवाज करपाक आझाद मैदानाचेर येता जाल्यार तो आझाद उरना, तेचेर नाका आशिल्ली एफआयआर घालता. आयज काल म्हाका ते लिस्टार पळयतालो 1,000 लोकांचेर एफआयआर घालता. अरे तुमी कितले 1000 लोकांचेर एफआयआर घालतले रे. एक गोंयकार जेन्ना उठता न्ही तेन्ना आख्खे गोंय कशें पेटोवन दितले पळय तेन्ना तुमकां कळपाना. तेन्ना इलेक्शन बिलेक्शन कांयच लागपाना. आमकां येवपा आयल्या हेज अ यूथ आमी एकामेकाचे हात धरतले. पूण फर्स्ट गोल आसतलो की तुमकां घरांत हाडपाक. आयज एकटो कोण तरी मंत्री स्टेटमेंट मारता आपूण यूथ एकठांय करून तुमकां दाखयतलो म्हणून. अरे यूथ तुमचे बरोबर आसा. आयज ते गुंडा हाडून दाखयतलो म्हणटा. आयज अशी परिस्थिती आसा. आयज त्या बायलांक हाडला, त्या बायलांक समज विचारले तुम्ही किती आयल्या काय म्हळ्यार म्हारगाय वाडल्या म्हणून सांगता. आयज त्या बायलांक हाडल्यार विचारता आयडीची बिलां वाडल्या म्हणून सांगता. तेंकां बोर्डार दाखयल्या कितें बरयलां तें तेंकां खबर ना. म्हणल्यार अक्षरशः तुम्ही लोकांक मिसगायड करून प्रोटेस्टाक हाडटा. बरें म्हाका आयज एक मीम पळयतालो, फूल प्रोटेस्ट केलो, जेचे नांवार बॉम्ब मारताले तेच्याच ऑफिसा सकयल तेंकां छत्रछाया मेळ्ळी. म्हणल्यार देव कर्म दाखयता. मागता युवा कडेन भायर सरात. फक्त फेसबूक आणि इंस्टाग्रामाचे लायक कमेंट शेअर करनाकात. शेअर कमेंट लायक करताले आपले गट्स, आपली युनिटी, आपूण लॉयल्टी कितें आसा ती दाखयात. आणि लास्ट ह्या गव्हर्मेंटान मडक्याच्या एजंटा कडल्यान आणि कॅसिनो ओनरा कडल्यान शिकपाक जाय. कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार तेंचे नंबर आणि हे लीक जायना. पूण हांगा इन्कलाब इन्कलाब अर्चित नाईक.
जब मोदी जाता है
पुलिस को आगे करता है.
जब मोदी जाता है
पुलिस को आगे करता है.
जब मोदी जाता है
पुलिस को आगे करता है.
भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय.
होम मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत, तुम्ही आमचे भुरग्यांचे सोमारा जी हांगा आयिल्ले टर्माइट्स म्हणटा तुम्ही तेंचेर एफआयआर केला. हांगा उबो आसा कोण एफआयआर वाजेर या तुम्ही आमचेर एफआयआर करात दाखया. जे भुरगे पीसफुली हांगा आपले आवाज व्यक्त करता, आपले विचार व्यक्त करता, त्यांचेर तुम्ही FIR घालता. शेम ऑन यू ऑल. आमका किडे म्हणता. अरे गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीत जेवणात किडे सापडटा त्यांचे पयलीं सांभाळा. गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी किडे जे तुमकां मेळटात ते सांबाळपाक पावना. तुम्ही आमकां किडे म्हणटा, आमकां टर्माइट्स वायटी म्हणटा तुम्ही. हा, तुमचे कोण एक्स MP व्हायस प्रेसिडेंट येऊन आमचेर बोवाळ घालता, आमकां कितें कितें म्हणटा, तुमकां लज दिसना. आज तुम्ही हांगा एक पॉलिटिकल ऑफिस आमचे काँग्रेस ऑफिसान येऊन तुम्ही आम्ही हे करपा येयल्ले, प्रोटेस्ट करपा येयल्ले. लास्टाक तुमकांच विषय खबर ना. देशान सांगिल्ल्या भशेन तुमकां विषय खबर ना. तुमचेच लोक म्हणटा लायटी बील वाडले म्हणून येता, लायटी बील वाडले, उदक मारक, हे मारक, ते मारक म्हणून येता. अरे तुम्ही लोकांक हाडटा तांकां सांगा ते मरे कित्याक आयल्या म्हणून. भाड्या लोकांक हाडनाका. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जो एज्युकेशन HRD मिनिस्टर आसा, he has to resign. He has to resign. आणि ज्या तरेन या तरणाट्याचेर, भारताचे युवकांचेर हल्ला केला, आर्म फोर्सेसाक आम्ही खूप रिस्पेक्ट करता, बट दे आर द BS ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट. त्याने ज्या तरेन बंदूक आमचेर ताणल्या, I am asking for the resignation of Home Minister also, Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah, you also have to resign. Enough is enough. आमच्या माथ्यावयल्यान उदक गेला आणि आमच्या माथ्यावयल्यान उदक गेला. आमकां युवकांक सोचपा जायना. आता हांगा जे लोक आसा, भुरगे आसा, तरणाटे आसा, अक्रॉस पार्टी लायन हांगा खंयचे पॉलिटिकल अशें इन्वॉल्वमेंट ना. सगळे प्रत्येक पक्षाचे NGO ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट भाव, आमचे भयण्यो सगळे आयल्या हांगा. गोंयकार आयल्या हांगा. गोंया पासत झुजता ते गोंयकार आयल्या. कित्याक आतां गोंय वाचोवपाचो टायम आयला. हांव लास्ट एकूच म्हणटा, ही भिजूड भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा BJYM यात मरे तुम्ही आज हांगा व्हडले किडे 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 म्हणून आणि थाल्यो बिलो उडून बोळ घालता. आज या मरे तुम्ही हांगा. आणि एक परत तुम्ही जे आमच्या भुरग्यांचेर FIR केला तो फाटी घ्या, नाजाल्यार हांवूय हांगा वसा, हांव हांगा बसता. घाला आमचेर FIR. आम्ही कोणा भिना. आम्ही गोंया बसत रावला आणि गोंया बसत रावला. गोंया बसत गोंय आम्ही वाचयतले. सगळे युवक एक जातले.
Our youngest protester, Roshan from St. Xavier School, Mapsa, 10th class.
Literally throwing what not tear gas stones on the Jantar Mantar protest. So now, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, no. Modi Hatao, Desh Bachao.
Martino Miranda, our ex-students union leader. See, in 1979, we had the biggest student movement in Goa, led by all Goa Student Union. And today, everybody in Goa enjoys half ticket. And we were treated by respect. That time Shashikala Kakodkar was the chief minister. But we never faced this. What we are facing today. We even fought against Mark scandal. Do you remember? When Francis Sardina was the education minister. Yes. We fought against. We fought for our right. And we could close entire Goa with one call. That is the power of the students. And that is the power of the youth. If the government does not relent, the government will fall with its own weight, and that will be the end of the government, as we have seen in other countries like Nepal and Bangladesh. I think we are heading for that, and I don't want to speak much. I hope better sense prevails about the government and the termites and the cockroaches. Otherwise, they will be eaten and they will be dead by the cockroaches and termites. Thank you.
Pratima Kudino, Youth Congress ex-president.
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी,
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी,
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी,
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी।
यार सुपारी चार आण्याची सुपारी गली गली में शोर है गली गली में शोर है वंदे नमस्कार।
सरकार जलती है
पुलिस को आगे करती है,
जब सरकार जलती है
पुलिस को आगे करती है,
जब सरकार जलती है
पुलिस को आगे करती है।
With all due respect to the youth student leader Sudeep Dalvi ji and all the students, youth, नमस्कार तुमकां, माय बाबाचो योकार तुमकां, हॅट्स ऑफ, तुम्ही जागे जाल्ले आसा। तशेंच आमचे जायते एक्टिविस्ट भाव हांगासर आयिल्ले आसा आनी भयण्यो, तशेंच डिफरंट पॉलिटिकल लिडर्स हांगा आयिल्ले आसा आनी तुमकां प्रेस भाव भयण्याक म्हजो नमस्कार। चड उलोवपाचें ना पूण म्हाका सांगपाचें आसा। फर्स्ट आतां टर्मायट कोणे म्हणलें आमकां, कोणे म्हणलें टर्मायट आमकां? कोण तो? एक्स एमपी एडवोकेट नरेंद्र सावयकर, एक्स एमपी। अरे तू खरेंच एडवोकेट, तू खरेंच अधोगाशी शिकला, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आसा, हांव धाडून दिता। वॉट डीड यू से? हेजेर आमी कंडेम करता। म्हजो पयलो डिमांड आसा की सीएम प्रमोद सावंत, हू इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिस स्टेट, CM Pramod Sawant should ask for an apology from the ex-MP, that is Narendra Sawaykar, for calling our youth Islamites. अरे लज मरे तुमकां, हे कोण रे? दे आर द फ्युचर मरे ऑफ टुमॉरो। राव रे, IT म्हणटा ते काय तुका हांवें सांगलां, आयजूय हांव सांगता, IT म्हणटा ते तुम्ही वायट एंड्स, तुम्ही टर्माइट्स, तुम्ही काबार करपाक आयला, तुमचो सिस्टमच खराब जाल्लो आसा, काबार जाल्लो आसा। आनी रावा तुमकां 27 हो युथूच तुमकां दाखयतलो। दुसरें म्हणटा काल आमी आमचे गिरीश चोडणकर बाब, आमचो प्रेसिडेंट, आमचे सगळे आमचे लिडर्स काँग्रेसचे आनी आमचे कार्यकर्ता जेन्ना गव्हर्नराक मेळपाक गेले, गव्हर्मेंटाची अपॉइंटमेंट घेवपाक गेले, तेन्ना आमकां कितें सांगलें? मेळपाक दिवना। तेन्ना काय दिसता की आयज काल आमकां 8 उलो मारलो आनी आमी ऑपोजिशनात आसा। काँग्रेस इज इन ऑपोजिशन, पूण आमी 200-300 लोक गेले आनी टील 11 o'clock आमी प्रोटेस्ट दवरलो। आयज लज मरे दामू नायकाक, आयज भाजपाच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक, अध्यक्षाक लज, तूं वयल्यान येता आनी उदक भायर दिता, तूं कितें सांगता? हें कांय न्ही म्हणटा, आमी 2 लाख उलो दंपार सकाळीं उलो मारलो, दंपार इतलो लोक आयलो। एक सांगता तुका अध्यक्ष, BJPचे अध्यक्ष सांगता, दामू कितें दामू लायला, कितें चलयला? सरकार तुजें मरे, लज मरे तुमकां। फर्स्ट टायम आय हॅव सीन ruling, the party which is ruling not only in national capital but in Goa is coming at the opposition store for protest. लज तुमकां, लज। आनी आतां सांगलां तशें तो रोहन गांवटे, आय थिंक कोण तरी मिनिस्टर, एक्स मिनिस्टर, आतां मिनिस्टर आसा न्ही तो, म्हाका खबर ना कितें रे, पूण तूं बाबा कितें उलयता? तूच पप्पू म्हणटालो मरे प्रमोद सावंताक। तुजी मेमरी कितें डिमेन्शिया जाल्या तुका?
डिलीट जाली मेमोरी,
म्हाका दिसता डिलीट जाल्या खंय तरी ताची मेमरी। आमकां अपॉलॉजी जाय। हे भुरगीं ही शिकतात, 16-17 वरां शिकतात, हांचे आवय बापूय नीटाक लागून लाखांनी पयशे फीज खंयच्यान रीण हाडून घालतात। जे हेंचे मंत्री आनी मिनिस्टर आसा तेंचे कडेन खूब तुडू आसा नीट पेपर लीक केल्ले घेवपाक, पूण ही जी यूथ आसा पळय आमचे, हे यूथ तांचे आवय बापूय कोर्टाक मारून तांकां ते ट्युशनाक घालता आनी देन यू आर फोर्सिंग। 20 youth have died of suicide. They have come out to speak for protest. लास्ट सांगता, चड उलयना पूण लास्ट सांगता आतां की CM पप्पू आमकां हे मागपा कितें ते अपॉलॉजी मागपाकूच जाय नरेंद्र सावयकरान। जय हिंद, जय गोवा।
सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर राहून समाजा खातीर झुजपी, संघर्ष करपी आमचो बाब सुनील कौठणकर।
Today, on this sacred Azad Maidan, I have come here as a Goan, and I am proud that several students, several youths all across Goa have come over here to voice their concern and to question the system which has not only failed them, which has betrayed all of them. Kal, we have seen one incident wherein a former MP, elected MP by the people of Goa, who is living on the pension that comes out of the taxpayers' money, has not only insulted the youth and the students of Goa and the entire nation, but he has humiliated them further. Naren Sawekar yesterday termed the students who are raising a very simple demand, a very simple concern, that the papers which were leaked, someone should be held accountable for that. The HRD minister should have resigned over that. But instead of taking any responsibility and resigning, what we have seen is the protesters, the students, the youths were lathi charged in Delhi. It was shocking to see that young women, young students, girl students were molested not only by the people who are in civil clothes, but people who are in uniform. Shame! Shame! Today, across Goa, people had requested the ruling party BJP to apologize because Naren Sawekar holds a very senior position in the government. But instead of apologizing, saying sorry is not a big deal, but the power, the ego and the arrogance has today gone to the heads of the ones who are sitting on the chairs. They have forgotten that their responsibility is to govern, their responsibility is to serve. They are today behaving as if the Nazis had an organization called the SS. The young generation should check the history book. How the Second World War, what were the events that led to the Second World War, and what was the SS of Nazi. Today in India, we have an organization that is backed and that backs the government in power.
Murdabad, Murdabad, RSS, Murdabad.
It is not SS, but that is RSS. We have seen their goons going around with lathis in hand, hammering the students who are voicing concern, who are questioning the government. This place, Azad Maidan, is very sacred. This is a symbol of revolution. And every citizen, every student, every youth has a right to protest. I come from a state where in the past we raised questions against the government. Even though being part of a political party earlier, had raised serious concerns against our government. I was assaulted. I lost my 5 teeth. I got 16 stitches. Still, we raised our concern. Nobody termed us as anti-national. Nobody termed us as terrorists. But today we see, you raise the question against the government, you are an anti-national. You ask them any question, you are a terrorist. I don't know where we are heading. This is a matter of pride for us Goans that young people have come out voluntarily to seek justice, to seek answers for their questions. I believe all of us have a responsibility towards the young generation of Goa. The youth and the students are heart and soul of our nation, and they are the ones who are going to make our nation a strong and a powerful country. I don't want to say anything much. There are many people, there are young students, there are youngsters who want to voice their concern. I will just say Jai Hind, Jai Goa, Jai student, Jai youth.
Agastya from the student community.
I just want to tell everybody that, we've been seeing a lot of reports that democracy is dead now. Democracy is dying now. It has been dead since 2014. It has simply just reached your doorstep now. And so many questions have been raised about education and how we are keeping it inaccessible. Umar Khalid and Shahjeel Imam are still in jail. The nation's most smartest, most academic minds are in jail, and this is what we are, and we've not listened for them, and now we have to rise for the students who are affected now. And I would like to quote a very popular quote that non-violence only works when your opponent has a conscience and the Indian state has none.
Al-Qaja.
So first and foremost, I am not actually a student. I am just a very concerned citizen who has watched for the last 10 years our democracy basically go up in flames. As Agastya just said, whether it was CA, NRC, when they broke into Jamia, what they are doing to our students and what they did to our students in Delhi right now is not new, because they broke into Jamia 7 years ago in a library and beat students up. And even then, back then, a lot of questions were raised about accountability. So anything that they're doing in Delhi right now is nothing new. We've been seeing this happen for the last decade, and it's about time everyone stops allowing this to happen. And people who are not political prisoners are still in jail without a trial 7 years later. The fact that you still have voice, the fact that you're still free, please use your voice and always keep this. Please. Thank you.
Durva Pednekar, law student.
So I'm here to raise my voice along with all the students for the pressure that we face in our day-to-day life just because we want to get educated and for the questions that we raise for the sufferings that we have. So we are here asking the government to take us into consideration and solve our problems.
My name is Bhavesh. We are from Father Anand College. We have come here for our democratic rights. We have right to speak. वो मोदी कितें शिकला जाल्यार विचार आमकां शिकोवंक दिना तो आपलो शिकोवंक ना आनी आमचो फुडार डिसायड करता आमी फ्युचर लिडर्स
तुवें आमकां वायटी म्हणटा आमी एक बार आयल्यार आख्खे सिस्टम काबार करपी
वो मोदी शिकला काय विचारा तांकां मातशें आमकां धमकी घालता आमकां शिकोवंक दिना तो आमकां शिकपाक दिना हिंगा पेपर चोरी करता आनी लीक करता आनी आमचे ते करता ओ कितें रे रोड बी सारके करपाक लायता तो कितें रे हो मोदी तो काडा रे रेजिग्नेशन दिवं म्हूण सांगा रे कोण तरी मोदी करता हो शी मोदी लॉस मारी तांकां शी
वी आर नॉट टेररिस्ट
आमी सिटीजन आमी टेररिस्ट न्हू आमकां तिका भुरग्यांक मारता थिंगा दिल्ली जंतर मंतरान
Go student!
जिंदाबाद
Go student!
जिंदाबाद
Go student!
जिंदाबाद
Youth power!
जिंदाबाद
Youth power!
जिंदाबाद
Youth power!
जिंदाबाद
Go student!
जिंदाबाद
Youth power!
जिंदाबाद
बोलो भारत माता की
जय
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
पीटर डिसूजा.
सगळ्यांक देव बरें मागता तुमकां आतां नरेंद्र सावयकर तुका एक क्वेश्चन करता हांव तुगे घरान बसून भुरगीं आहाय तुवें आख्खे गोंयकारांक युथांक तुवें सांगलां आपयलां आमी टर्मायट म्हणून यूथ टर्मायट म्हणून सांगलां तुवें ते म्हणल्यार यू हॅव इन्सल्टेड युअर ओन फॅमिली बाय कॉलिंग युअर ओन डॉटर युअर ओन चिल्ड्रन टर्माइट्स. यू आर नॉट ओनली कॉलिंग termites in your family, but I call it entire Goan youth a termite. सांगपा म्हणल्यार आयज तूं भोंवतालो फ्रॉम तुगे ऑफिसा बीजेपी ऑफिस टू काँग्रेस ऑफिस with who? With a few termites supported by cockroaches coming to the Congress party office. This is your fate, your dignity. You have shown your credibility. You are finished. You calling the youth of Goa termites shows your presence of mind. It shows how respectful you are to the Goans. तुका MP करून कांयच फायदो ना. मुखार तूं इलेक्शनाक बसपाक येयल्यार लोक ते youth Gen Z गोंयचो Gen Z तुका दाखयतलो तुगे प्लेस खूंय आहा तो. I request all the Gen Z people to remember this person is coming from which government and for what? And for whom is doing this? First you say termites, the next moment you delete your post, and after that you are contradicting, saying that termites and cockroaches are same. Tu kola shikoita, tu kit shikla. Here there are children, youth dying because of their paper being leaked, because they couldn't answer exams, and you are teaching them the cockroaches and termites are same. Shame on you. Thank you.
Goa Congress spokesperson.
Okay.
I am not here today as Congress's spokesperson. I am here with my wife because I am father to a daughter. I am father to a daughter who is going to question me one day if I keep quiet today. What is the reason that you kept quiet for this stupidity that Bharatiya Janata Party's this MP, ex-MP said? Termite म्हणले ताणें काल आनी काल एका डिबेटीन तांचो स्पोक्सपर्सन आयिल्लो तो म्हणपा लागलो ते सगळे जे पार्लिमेंटार वॉक करून वताले ते खंय अफजल गुरूचे मनीस दे आर टेररिस्ट. सो ही फेल्ट नथींग शॉर्ट ऑफ कॉलिंग यंग जनरेशन टेररिस्ट. नन ऑफ देम आर टेररिस्ट. माय डॉटर इज नॉट टेररिस्ट. people who are here, the students who are here are not terrorists or termites, but they have termed them as terrorists. As RSS proud जाले आसतली. Ask me why? कारण आज ताणी एक नवो वर्ड शिकयलो. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो प्रेसिडेंट, सुशिक्षित प्रेसिडेंट, तांचे मंत्री, तांचे आमदार, आज ताणी तांच्या युथाक एक नवो वर्ड शिकयलो, भडवा. खबर आसा तुमकां? साउंड्स बॅड नो? दिसता केन्ना आयकला तुम्ही भुरग्यांनी घरा कडेन आवय बापाय कडल्यान वर्ड भडवा आयकला? भडवा is a bad word and slogans were being shouted by the president of the party, repeated by the youngsters who are following them. की भडवा हे तुमकां करून दवरतले ते लक्षांत दवर एक दीस. It is time. The youth, I am here with this youth who have gathered here. They may be a smaller number today, but they will rise up. They will rise up to teach you a lesson. Don't take them for granted. One day, if we don't rise up, आज बायल म्हणजे फर्स्ट टाइम आयला पॉलिटिक्साक केन्ना येना ते भायर केन्ना सरना पण कित्याक आयले ते आज? कारण म्हजे भुरगे जे फुडें व्हडले जातले तेन्ना परत पेपर लीक जावपा जायना. What is the question that the students ask? मर्डर कर म्हणून सांगना ते, ताका मार म्हणून सांगना धर्मेंद्र प्रधानाक. ते सांगता कितें मागता ते रिजायन कर ते युजलेस प्रेसिडेंट तो एज्युकेशन मिनिस्टर आसा ताका तें जायना. फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स you are playing with the future of young generation. We will not let this happen, and for this I stand by the youth who are present here today. I am sure BJP चे youth आसतले तांकां हांगा येन दिसता आसतले पण भंय दिसता. कारण what they are going to teach you, what they are going to teach these RSS followers who have been there, will be proud today of President of Bharatiya Janata Party because he taught one more word to them, Badwa. Rest I leave it to you. Darwin's theory ते म्हणटा आनी काल सिनोनिमिटी दाखयता. टर्माइट्स एंड कॉकरोचेस आर सेम ब्रीड म्हणून. आमचे इवोल्युशन ह्युमन्साचे जाले माकडांतल्यान. हे ह्युमन्स जाले काय माकडूच उरले ते थंय वयर बसता. देव बरें करूं.
Suzel from first year VM Salgaonkar College, Law College.
Today, I want to point out a very serious fact. Every year, we have to listen to the talk Pariksha Pe Charcha by a Prime Minister. Right now, I want to question and I want answers from the government as to what is the point of Pariksha Pe Charcha. Why is that kept? Why is that held? While the same government is hitting and beating up the students in Jantar Mantar, the same students who have to listen to Pariksha Pe Charcha. What is the point of that? While with this broken education system over there, I need answers. मुझे जवाब दो, मुझे हिसाब दो. जवाब दो, हिसाब दो.
जवाब दो, हिसाब दो.
जवाब दो, हिसाब दो.
जवाब दो, हिसाब दो.
Graduate pass out, Jeremy.
I've been working as a teacher for the past 2 years. I've been working as a teacher for the past 2 years, and I've had close contact with many. I've had close contact with many students on a daily basis. Even now, some of my past students are telling me they're going to take up JEE, NEET in the future years. But the problem is they're worried if they answer the exam, they get a high ranking, and tomorrow the paper decides it's a leaked paper. They can't answer their paper again because their mental stress is too much. We've already seen students who have committed suicide and they've lost their lives. In a company where many of you all might be working right now as press, if you report a false story and the manager above allows it to go ahead, would you all not be fired and would the manager also not be facing repercussions? Over here, all he's done is say sorry and he's ended the story. But that is not enough. We've lost 20 people who could have been future doctors, who could have been an asset to the nation. Many of our youth are leaving the country and going abroad to study their doctorate, to do further studies. Why? Because the system itself is infected with something which needs to be cleansed. Thank you.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. जय 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 भीम. जय भीम जय भीम. जय 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 भीम. जय भीम जय भीम.
Bob Varanale. Good evening. हांव वॉरन गांवान वारकेचो. पयले सद्या हांव सगळे स्टुडंट्सांक हिंगा सल्यूट करता. I salute each and every one of you and I wholeheartedly want to say sorry. Karzantल्यान मुगे स्टुडंट्सांक हांव सॉरी म्हणटा कित्याक what you all are facing today is the result of politics in India. I am not going to speak on BJP because BJP, the party, is no more a national party. It's a party, Bharatiya Dala
दलाल पार्टी जाल्या. I want a serious question that I want to ask the Chief Minister of Goa today. You have a daughter in your house. I want to ask Rohan County today. तुकडे 2 भुरगीं आहाय घराकडे. Do you all consider your children as termites? Do you all? Because we Goans, in our houses, our children are God's gift for all of us, aren't they? Yes. They're all God's gift. So how dare you say termites to the youth of Goa, to the youth of India? Rohan County, तुवें थोडे वर्सां पयले एक सीएमाक तुवें पप्पू म्हणलो. आयज तूं आनी कोणा पप्पू म्हणटा? तूं व्हडलो पप्पू गोंयचो. तूं जे दीस तूं पडटलो, जे 2027 रोहन काउंटे जरूर पडटलो, ते गुंडा तूं कोणागेन भोंवता तेच गुंडा तुका जोत्यांनी आपयतले. रोहन काउंटेक हांव सांगता, तूं आयज आमगे युथा दादागिरी दाखयनाका. आमगे युथान कांकणां घायलना आनी वॉरन आलेमावन आनी हिंगा सगळे लोकांनी कांकणां घायलना. विदाउट अ बॉडीगार्ड, विदाउट अ पुलीस फोर्साक तूं चलोवन दाखय हे गोंयच्या एक रस्त्याचेर. तुका हिंगा लोक जोत्यांनी घातले. अरे बाबा 2027 चड पयस ना, थोडो भियोन उलयाय तुमी. आयज पेंटाची आय तुमी, थोड्या म्हयन्यांनी काश्ती आसपाना. गोंयकार तुमकां दाखयतले. टुडे इज द मुवमेंट ऑफ द youth. I don't want to take any this with the youth, because the youth is the future of Goa, the future of India. So I wholeheartedly once again want to say sorry, because instead of being with the books, I used to me books but the government of India, this government has brought you all in this monsoon season to protest with hoardings. For what? Don't they have a future? Pramod Sawant, Pappu Multuka, Tugle Ministerani, and a minister again to Bonda, Tode Ukta Rao, H. Popu Tuka, Kashtiche Budoin Gatle. I want to once again thank each and every youth over here for coming out wholeheartedly, supporting this movement. This is your movement. This is not the movement of any political party. This is your movement, and we, whether from Congress, Aam Aadmi, or any political party, we are there with you all, no matter what. Thank you.
Mustaq, who is going to join first year now, he is going to enter college, the future generation.
At this point, even the baby's diaper is less than the newspaper. Not again. At this point, baby's diaper leaks less than the neat paper. Yes. Speak. The government should resign because they don't know how to handle the system of India. Yes. मोदी हटाओ, देश बचाओ. भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
Sandesh Talekar from Aam Aadmi Party.
मुर्दाबाद 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 मुर्दाबाद. बोलो भारत माता की वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
This is a movement of youth. However, we might feel that we are youth, but then we have passed that stage and we are here. Why we are here? Because we want to be with all this youth of Goa. गोंयचे हे फुडार आसा, गोंयचो फुडार आसा, देशाचो फुडार आसा, आनी त्या फुडाराक जर कोणूय फाल्यां तो म्हाजो जावं आनी कोणाचो जावं, कोणूय जर आमच्या ह्या युथाक कितें म्हणटलो जाल्यार आमी सदांच फुडें आसतले आनी वी वील डिफेंड आवर यूथ. खरें तर 2014 ह्या देशान एक व्हडली चळवळ जाली आनी भारतीय जनता पार्टी सत्तेर आयली. म्हाका दिसता दॅट वॉज द डे ज्या दिसाक आमच्या देशाक वायटी लागली आनी खरी वायटी लागली. आमच्या देशाक लागली वायटी 2014. आज ती वायटी वाडून आज एंटायर सिस्टम काबार गेला. आज गोंय विकला, गोंयच्या सगळ्या कानाकोपऱ्यांनी आमची जमीन विकला, आमच्या देशाचे सगळे रिसोर्सीस विकला. भारतीय जनता पार्टी ही खरो टर्माइट जो आमच्या देशाक लागला. आनी म्हाका दिसता ज्या भशेन आमचो देशाचो यूथ आज जागो जाला, गोंयचो यूथ जागो जाला,
म्हाका दिसता ह्या टर्मायटाचें सोल्युशन खूब बेगीन येतलें and that will be the day our India will be free. Thank you.
अरे हम क्या चाहे हम क्या मांगे
through media. Well, I want to say that through the cockroaches and through termites, we will overthrow this government and we will show that what united power looks like. Thank you so much. Wilbur Frederick Chiklo.
Good evening, youth and media people. I appreciate all of you all giving us a good cover up. And what is happening in Delhi, the way they are treating the youth there, the young girls being molested, hammered, and so much of bad happening. I demand the resignation of the education minister. And it's not only he, it is the Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, who has put the police against all the protesters there. And the most responsible is our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi. Say he also should resign. Okay, and the other thing is, in Goa, our Home Minister and CM, the rally they took out today, I don't know what sense it makes. You saw Mr. Rowan County telling that he'll get the youth out and he will trash. What is he talking about? The top title that has been given to him in Pororim stands and will stand till he's in Pororim and he has to be thrown out. At the same time, I demand that the youth of Goa and India should be free in their conscience of examination, whatever they want to do, and they should have the democratic right to protest, and the government should give in to them, and Mr. Pradhan has to resign, and Istifa is to come from Mr. Modi too. Thank you.
Anybody else would like to speak? Come forward.
हांगा उलोवपाक येवचे पयलीं म्हाका दिसता हांव जेन्ना भितर सरलो ते टायमार आमकां कळोन येयलें की हो भंय कितें तो कारण पयर जेन्ना हांगासर एक मेगा रॅली जाली त्या टायमार हांगा कितलेशेच भुरगे येयले आनी आयज जेन्ना हांव भितर सरता तेन्ना हांवें पळयलें की फर्स्ट टायम इन द हिस्ट्री हांगासर म्हाका दिसता आझाद मैदानाचेर चारूय वटेनच्यान पुलीस आसा एक सायडीन आसताले किंवा एक सायडीन आसताले पण आयज हांगासर चारूय वटेनच्यान आसा जस्ट भिवोवपा खातीर भायर जेन्ना हांव रावलो ते टायमार भायर जेन्ना भुरगे आशिल्ले ते म्हाका म्हणूंक लागले की एक दीस चल्ला हांगासर की पुलीस इतले कित्याक आसा म्हळ्यार एक भंय क्रिएट करता ते आयज तर सकाळीं फुडें पळयत जाल्यार एक कॉमेडीच दिसूंक लागली आमकां की आयज ओपोज करपाक जर आमी हांगासर येता जाल्यार सकाळीं फुडें एक एजिटेशन पळयलें आमी ते म्हणल्यार रुलींग पार्टीचेर आनी तितून जे लोक आसले तांकां जेन्ना आमच्या प्रेस भावांनी विचारले तेन्ना ते सांगता की मारकाय जाला आनी हें जाला आनी तें जाला म्हणून म्हळ्यार कशे लेवलाचेर तांकां आपयता आयज भारत देशान चल्लां कितें आयज जे भुरगे आसा पळय तेच उरलेले की ते भायर सरपाक आयज कशें आसा आमचे एक्टिविस्ट किंवा आमचे जे ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज आसा ते हांगासर आवाज करताले पूण केन्नाच यूथ भायर सरनासलेले पूण आयज आमचे युथान दाखयल्लें आसा की ते भायर सरले जाल्यार बऱ्या बऱ्याची फुटता म्हणून आयज दाखोवन दिल्लें आसा पुराय देशान आयज जो इशू जाल्लो आसा जो आवाज जाल्लो आसा तितून इतलेंच आमकां कळोन येयल्लें आसा की हो सरकार जो आसा तो भियेला देव बरें
Anybody else wants to speak? Come forward, please.
Hello everyone, I am Sarfraz. जे youth भायर सरल्या आमी इतले वर्सां पळयताले एज अ एक्टिविस्ट एज अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आमी सगळे हांगा धांवन येताले वॉट एवर इश्यूज आसा मांडपाक बट दीस टायम आय थिंक सो द मोदी गव्हर्मेंट has matched with the wrong people. The youth of India are vacant right now. They try to break up our Muslims. They try to bring all the communal fights here. They want to break up farmers. The farmers that came in a protest and lost the 700 people's life. But they now has matched with the wrong guys. I think so this Gen Z will come out and show their real faces of the BJP right now in the moment. And I think so. I request all the Gen Zs, all the youth, you have to fight for your own life in future because this government want to destroy everything in India. They want to sell our lands. They want to give all the institutes for rental basis. They want to finish everything. They want to give Adani, Ambani, everything. Finally, they want to take a Jola and run away. But I want to say this only. When the Gen Z will come out for their life, for their future, because education is a must. Education in India are going in a stake right now. BJP is trying to completely destroy everything. Destroy small schools like government. 1 lakh schools It's not a joke. 1,500 institutes in India. It's all are shut down by BJP government because they want the people should get uneducated. They should not speak out for anything in the world, anything in India, except only to back them, go for any protest for anything, but not to ask any jobs in any sector. The youth have to come out, and this is the right time. Only the BJP to back down. Youth are main here. So we request all the Gen Zs to come out and request them to make the protest more powerful, that this BJP run out from this India. Thank you.
सगळे आमचे जेन्सी युथान सगळे आपले जे म्हटला लास्टाक हांव इतलेंच म्हणूं सोदता सगळे आमच्या भुरग्यांचो तिरूच डिमांड आहा. पयलो डिमांड की ताबडतोब तांच्यांनी अपॉलॉजी मागची आनी ताबडतोब BJPन ताका सॅक करचो फ्रॉम द पोजिशन ऑफ कमिशनर. दुसरो डिमांड आहा की हे जो जाला सगळे लास्ट मंडे प्रोटेस्टर जे आयिल्ले हांगा सगळे स्टुडंट तांचे जे FIR जाला ती विड्रॉ जावची म्हणून. So these are the three demands the youth of Goa are asking for, and I want to tell BJP that BJP has messed up with wrong generations. Jenna pare issues sutawe जावचे ना, हे Gen Z उभी रावचे ना. Thank you.
Now we are going to conclude our meeting with a poetry by Rabindranath Tagore, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. I want everybody to recite the poetry behind me. Where the mind is without fear, where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by law or domestic walls.
इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दो, 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 इस्तीफा दो, जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब, जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब, जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब, जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब, जिंदाबाद, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, 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 बोलो भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, एक